In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the email channel in Zendesk. If you're new to Zendesk, this is an essential step for ensuring all customer queries sent to your email are seamlessly funneled into your Zendesk account, where they can be efficiently managed. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to your Zendesk account's homepage. This might sound basic, but starting at the right place is key to smooth navigation. From your homepage, look for the Admin Center. Think of the Admin Center as your command hub where you can control various aspects of your Zendesk setup. Click on it to get started. Once in the Admin Center, you're going to look for a section called Channels. The channel settings are the gateway to connecting all the different ways your customers can reach you, including email, phone, or live chat. Today we are focusing on setting up the email channel, so go ahead and click on Channels. Now that you're in the channel settings, find and select the option titled Email. This step is crucial because it tells Zendesk that you want to set up email as one of your primary communication channels. By selecting email, you're opening up the settings necessary to connect and manage your email interactions within Zendesk. After clicking on email, you'll see an option to add address. Clicking this will prompt you to add the specific email address you want to use for receiving customer inquiries. It's a good practice to make sure the email address you add is the one you regularly use for customer communications, ensuring consistency and reliability in managing your customer service emails. Next, you'll choose Connect External Address. This is where you'll link your current business email, such as a Gmail account, to your Zendesk platform, so your existing communication flow isn't disrupted. Once you've chosen to connect an external address, the system will prompt you to choose your method. Here, select Gmail Connector if you're using a Gmail account. This selection is important because it allows Zendesk to use Gmail's integration tools to seamlessly sync your emails, providing a smooth and reliable flow of communication. After selecting the Gmail connector, you'll see an option to continue with Google. Clicking this will redirect you to Google's login page. Either sign in with the Gmail account you wish to connect, or choose the correct account if you're already logged in. And there you have it. The connection process helps Zendesk pull emails from your Gmail account directly, so you'll handle everything within the Zendesk interface. That wraps up our email channel setup. With this new connection in place, you'll never miss another customer query and can focus more time on creating amazing experiences for your clients. Thanks for watching, and happy customer servicing.